Good evening, traders. Going to do an update on natural gas. Also going to start by saying that I know there are still some people out there that are calling for $4 natural gas this winter. I don't know what you see in the charts that makes you think nat gas is bullish. So if you're coming watching my video looking for some hopium, you come to the wrong channel. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you know that I've been calling for nat gas to go under $2 before we hit $4. So just want to level set that right away so you don't waste your time. If you're bullish on nat gas, this is not going to be a video for you. All right, let's get on to the chart. So nat gas eclipsed that previous low from December, and I see 5 waves coming down here. So from the January 10th, or what is that, January 9th high, 5 waves down. So I see only 2 patterns, and obviously both are going to be bearish. As I've been saying, I think this first wave coming down, it was just a 3-wave move. And then we had this 3-wave move up, and now we've got 5 waves. So there's the potential that we just made the new low today, and that completed the first wave. This could be a 335, which I think is really, really bearish then for natural gas. If that's just the first wave, because then we'll get a big 2, but then we're going down, for 3, 4, and a 5, if that's only the first wave. So I'm just throwing it out there that there is the potential for that. I mean that would put natural gas way under 1.5 then even. So I kind of think that's not in play, but this is going to be the zone that's really critical for me, at least, because I think that they're going to come down in an ending diagonal. I think this was 1, and that was 2, and this was just the first part of 3. So I think we're going to get a correction up somewhere into this zone here. So on this chart, this is that CFD chart. So 2, 3, 4, say 2, 5. They could come higher, but maybe to 2, 6 or something. Correct up to there and then go down, and that'll be 3. So this zone is, I think, really crucial to telling us what all of this is. Because if it goes flying through up above this area, then I think that this is 1. Like they came really close to breaking that low. So let's see early next week, Monday, Tuesday, what kind of correction is it? Because if it gets really strong, like I said, and they give us this look, like a big 1, 2, 3 up into here, 2.8, 2.9 or something, then I think that's 1. And wow, natural gas is really, really going to be going low. But I think if this area offers resistance and then they come down, then they'll break both of those lows, and then somewhere down here will be the 3rd wave. And then they'll go back up for 4 and then still down for 5. And I still think the target is probably something like 1.5 to 1.6. We just got to wait and see what this does here. But those are the 2 patterns that I see. And so I think everyone should just really focus on this area here that I think is going to offer as resistance, and it's just going to sell off. But we'll be watching this. I'll do an update if I see this pattern changing, and then this might only be 1, but let's see. So I'm looking for this area to hold, and then for nat gas to push down and break both of these lows on this chart. So then we'll be going under 2. And that'll only be the 3rd wave. And then the 4th wave will probably be pretty strong back up into the 2.5 range before we come back down for that fifth wave. So, all right, quick update on nat gas. Hope it helps. Thanks for your likes and support. I'll see you in the next video.